I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Armada key fob battery. Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob by pressing the release and pulling it out. Use a small flathead to gently pry open the seam, keeping tabs on the plastic clips. Carefully lift the circuit board and replace the CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Reassemble in reverse and test the buttons for proper range and function. Begin by removing the mechanical key and locating the small seam where the fob splits. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the seam and twist gently until the halves separate, taking care not to apply excessive force. Once open, lift the circuit board carefully and note battery orientation so you can replace the CR2032 correctly. Keep small parts secure and avoid touching the circuit contacts to prevent oil transfer and poor connections later on. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more car tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is a fantastic little device to read manuals and how-tos while you wait on parts, with a bright screen and long battery life that keeps you entertained in the driveway. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the old battery removed, insert the new CR2032, making sure the positive side faces the correct direction as noted earlier. If contacts look dirty, clean them gently with a microfiber or an isopropyl wipe and let dry. Reseat the circuit board and align the plastic tabs before pressing the halves together to snap closed. Test the fob buttons and verify the keyless entry range from the vehicle to confirm a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.